So if you've learned loops, the next step is outside loops. And it's kind of funny because it's a little tricky. You're going to be so used to doing normal loops by now that it's going to seem really unintuitive to try and do it outside. But it's a good thing to practice because some of the two-handed tricks that we're going to end up teaching you have the outside loops in them, and it really helps make the trick look cool. So outside loops looks like so. Instead of throwing inside like we were doing, yo-yo is going to come on the outside of your wrist, just like out here. So watch as I do this. I'm throwing. That's an outside loop. See how my finger kind of comes over and I'm shooting the string around the side. So just like that, the yo-yo is coming around the back of my hand. It's not going on the inside of the arm. Sometimes when people first learn loops, they actually end up doing this and they have to re-correct themselves to do regular loops. And that's okay. So if you can already do this one and you need to work on loops, then you'll have to go back and check out that video. But it's really helpful for the next step when you're learning inside to outside loops. You'll notice how it's going from the inside to outside. You can see the motion. And you can just practice that way too. If you want, you can do an inside loop, throw one outside, then do more insides, throw one outside, do more insides. That'll help you get the practice of the motion down. But the trick itself, outside loops, it's going on the outside of your hand, controlling it just like so. It's outside loops.